Hello, it's Susan here for Komori no Hime Cosplay, and today we're going to be talking about the presser foot. The presser foot, just like the name suggests, uses pressure to help hold fabric in place while it's being sewn. You can also switch out the presser foot to provide you with even more assistance. You may notice that it looks a little different now. This is because I've removed the needles so I don't accidentally stab myself while I'm filming this. But to change out the presser foot, there's a little lever over here, so we're going to raise that up to raise the presser foot and gently put some pressure on it towards me so that it pops out of place. To put the presser foot back onto the machine, we're going to use that bar that's right across the top of it, and using the opposite motion, we're going to slide that bar into the little socket and press it until it pops into place. Some other useful sewing machine feet for cosplay include the Teflon foot, the zipper foot, and the invisible zipper foot. The Teflon foot, like the name suggests, has a smooth Teflon side underneath, and this is good if you need to sew anything sticky like vinyl. The zipper foot is also flat underneath, and it has two bars, so it can be inserted into either side depending on what side you need to sew. And the invisible zipper foot has one bar, but underneath it has grooves, so you can sew very close to either an invisible zipper or perhaps even some piping. This is what it looks like with the zipper foot attached to the machine. As you can see, we can attach it on either the right or left sides. I have it on the right side since that's the side of the zipper teeth. And the smooth bottom of the foot will glide along the zipper tape with the teeth staying on the side, and the needle will be placed close to the teeth. With the invisible zipper foot, when opened, the teeth of the invisible zipper will be fed through the groove underneath the zipper, and the needle will come down through a hole in the center of the zipper foot, sewing very, very closely to the edge of the teeth. And that was a quick intro into sewing machine feet. I hope you found this video helpful. For more cosplay sewing tutorial videos, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching!